Come test drive the 2013 BMW X5. The BMW X5 is an award-winning performance, space, and efficiency vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, heated seats, all-wheel drive, navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth wireless data, hands-free phone, alloy wheels, power steering, keyless start, anti-theft security system, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lights, power windows, satellite radio, panoramic roof, rollover protection system, dual power seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.